I dare you. I dare you to say l'argent with a straight face on. Say l'argent. And be mad. Say it. Go ahead, try. That's it, baby. That's a life. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Guess what the word of the year is? Rat! Negmawon, make it jump. On fait la jump. Rat! Wonderful ladies and gentlemen, this is how you make money. You make money. Money so sweet on the side of the head. We don't even call it money no more. We call it nini. Sweet. Nini. 23. Woo! Hey, before I continue, I gotta tell you guys, listen. I gotta show you my wallet. When I tell you nini, don't get nothing confused. Nini sounds like money. Sweet nini sounds like sweet money. But it's not money. It's not legend. Don't get it confused. Let me show you my wallet. Look, this is my wallet. You see this? Okay, I got a card. It's COVID vaccination card, okay? Then I got my ID, of course. But listen, you see the type of money I'm talking about? No money. I'm just grateful. I'm very grateful. I'm happy in the position that I am. So I have time to pray for all of you guys who are complaining about money and every other problems. You know, I have time to pray for you guys. So I'm comfortable. So I say, money is so sweet on the side of the hair. We don't even call it money no more. We call it nini. Okay? Don't get it confused. This is not gold. This is painted gold. Okay? It's gold to me. Okay? So today, I go by the name of King Sisi, your favorite king, aka Mr. Pettifiat, aka Kipushin. I've been on there for 2 years. I don't know if you knew. Welcome. You're not new. Hey, whenever you have time, catch up to these other videos. Okay? But anyway, when I talk, I say I don't talk English. I don't talk no language, you know. I talk negmawon. That's a negmawon accent. You're not gonna get it nowhere else. Negmawon accent. Now, when I say negmawon, it's nothing racist. When I talk, you think I'm the most racist person ever. Yet, I'm the least racist person you can ever meet. Even if I wanted to be racist, I cannot be racist. I'm gonna explain to you why. I know, I see my skin color, yes. I love it. But if I were to be racist against any other race, that would be racist against myself. Because guess what? Although this mixed up, beautiful, perfect mixture, I got French in my system. Can you believe this? French is in my DNA. Look at me. I'm brown skin. I got Africans in my DNA. When I say Africans, not the regular Africans, the toughest Africans you ever met. Congo, baby, Congo. Yes. You know, then I got, what other do I have now? Then I got Indian in my blood. Anyway, look at this mixture already. So, who exactly can I be racist against? Let me hear. I can't. It's impossible. I will joke about things, yes. Yes. I joke about everything, everybody, every race, yes. But that's it. Joke. Nothing else, baby. Nothing else. It's a joke. I cannot, because it's impossible for me to curse at my own self. Like, I don't like to joke about myself. Now, before we start this year, we gotta review every beautiful, good, sweet moment that happened in 2022. Ooh, you know what's some of my favorites? Man. Woo, Chris Rock. Man, Chris Rock. Listen, Chris Rock. You are the man. This guy, what's his name? Smith. You is lucky. What? You're lucky. Let's move forward. Now, see, Will Smith, all this time, cannot be all easy with you, just like I wasn't easy on Ye. But Ye is another topic we're going to get to Ye very soon. Much respect to Asaprocky, another rock, man. All these guys been playing games this one. What? Hey. Asaprocky, smart. Asaprocky, smart. You got no complaint. Okay, respect. But like this other guy, Kanyewest. Kanyewest, man, he done lost all the billions. My God. You black. You get a chance to make this much money. This much money. I'm not saying to close your mouth. Yes, you have freedom of speech. But come on, man. Get that money safe first. First thing, get that money. Second thing, make sure you didn't forget to get that. But anyway, it doesn't kill me. It only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, 'cause I can't wait much longer. So, you said you, the richest black, whatever, ever since Mende Musa had 400 billions. You hear me? 400, he was worth 400 billions. And not 400 billion paper dollars. 400 billion in gold. Solid gold. Okay? You can't, you can't, you know what's going on. You have gold, you cannot take the value off of that. I'm sorry. That's what he had. Real wealth. You had what, 2 billions? But anyway, you lost them 2 billions or 3 billions or 4 billions or 5 billions. Come on. That's not gonna kill you. It's only 5 billions compared to 400 billions that you thought you was gonna get. Hey, let's get that 400 billion and forget the rest. Get that 400 billion. These 5 billion is it's just, listen, it's just how you call it? You just take a step back to jump further. You straight. Just take it easy, man. Take it slow. Take your time. Don't keep jumping. You know, it's not that video.
We're not here to talk about that right now. I just want to focus on this jump right now.
You want to focus, all right, Nick. You want to focus on this. Do you know who I am?
This is why we couldn't never work out, Nia.
Do you know who I am?
I know. I said your name.
All right, I'm Nia Lonnie. Don't you get it, Nick?
What? That's right, girl. I told you. When he get on, he gonna leave your ass for a white girl. What you want, a Barbie? What about all of this? You just want some put him out there ass?
Don't worry about it. It didn't kill you, man. It's gonna make you stronger. So you lost these 5 billions. Guess what? You're gonna make 3 times more. Easy. Well, yeah. Then the World Cup was last year. Woo, another big thing. What? Listen. Mbappe! 4! He scored 4 times in the finals. Championship World Cup. Guess what? Every time he touched the ball, he had 3 guys minimum playing defense on him. When the last time you seen this in soccer? Never. You see that in NBA. You know, they're trying to off the guy. Soccer is happening in soccer. Woo! Yet, he scored 4 times. Understand that. Mbappe. 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 Woo! With that being said, listen, Mbappe, man. Mbappe. Woo! Mbappe, French president. Yes, I said it. Woo! But I can't wait for listen, stop the war, man. Stop this war thing. Come on, you guys gonna listen, this is gonna have to stop anyway. You can't go to war forever. Fix your body, man. Stop this. Stop it. We need to leave this here, man. Okay? And then China, that virus thing, man. Get that shit straight. No, what is it? All this time, you guys are going to space. You guys are attacking Taiwan, but you guys can't fix the virus. Huh? What is this nonsense? Come on, man. Focus on what needs to be focused on. Please. Then Putin, focus on what needs to be focused on, man. Step back. Zelensky, man, I don't know why people listen to you. And Biden, calm down, man. Calm down. Kim Jong-un, man, you slut jungle. Jungle slut, you. Stop with them rackets, man. What's up with you? You want me to call them negmawons? The real original negmawons on this planet? You think you own this planet? You don't know what's been happening in this planet. You want them to come teach you a lesson? That's what you want? Next time you have a problem with anybody, any other leaders, what you do? You pick your left ball up. You know what I mean? You got 2 balls. You pick the left one up. Like this here. You pick the right one up. Up. All the way up as you can. And you say, you know what? You just drop them. Because you don't care. You know more war. Peace, man. Peace. Beautiful people, man. Beautiful people everywhere. Stop that nonsense. Love you guys. Love you guys.